Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you to create 3D effect in Photoshop. I have another video in my channel to create 3D effect in Photoshop, but in this tutorial I'm going to show you more easiest way to create the same effect. So let's begin. You already see that I have opened up the Photoshop and I have the stage ready with the text. So I am going to create 3D effect with this simple plain text. So first of all, press the Ctrl and T from the keyboard. Then from the keyboard, press the up arrow one time and the right arrow one time. For your notice, it should be one time, not many times. Okay, press enter. Now from the keyboard, press Ctrl Alt Shift T and keep pressing the T. The more you press the T, the more layer will be created. So I'm creating 20 layers. I have 20 layers ready. In my layers panel, I'm going to select the top 20, not the bottom one, only the copied one, and press Ctrl G from keyboard to make them in group. So I am renaming it to shadow 1. Now drag down the group under the main text. Now I will add layer style effect on this group. From here, from this FX button, I am clicking the color overlay. From this color overlay, I'll select the dark gray color. Press OK. You already see the 3D effect is created, but we'll change the direction of the 3D effect. To do this, keep selected the shadow 1 group. In layers panel, simply press shift and left arrow 2 times and the down arrow 2 times. You see the changes? Okay. Now I'm going to add another layer of effect. So I'll simply duplicate this shadow 1 group. To duplicate this group, I am right clicking and duplicate group. Name as 2. Okay. Now I am dragging down the shadow 2 under shadow 1. Again, by pressing shift from keyboard and press the left arrow and press the down arrow. Now I will change its existing layer style. To change the layer style, I am double clicking on the FX icon. So from the color overlay, I will change the color. Make the color black. And from this layers panel, I'll change the opacity to 40. See the result. Very fantastic, right? If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel and like, comment and share my video. Thank you very much.